Good morning, everyone. So, after a long break today, we are going to start our classes. I am starting with the chapter number 23. Chapter name is Probability. Recently, we were doing chapter number 11, but we will restart it later. Now, you have to start a new chapter from the new page, and I would like to give some instruction like you have to maintain a proper notebook and with the help of the video you can maintain your notebook. You have to do your work properly, and afterwards you will get the PDF also on the parent app. So, probability. Probability, to understand what is probability, you have to know when you have heard a word batting. बैट करते हैं हम, बैट लगाते हैं किसी से, दैट इज बैटिंग. Probability is a game of chance or a betting. We predict something. If I am saying it will rain today, so is it confirmed that it will rain today? No, it is not confirmed. Maybe or maybe not. There are three stages of probability. First is certainly true. Means if I am saying, have you seen the dice? जिसे हम लूडो प्ले करते हैं, लूडो. If I am saying कि if I am throwing a dice, number that is coming, it is less than 7. So it is 50-50 or it is 100%. It is certainly true because a dice have number 1 to 6, means less than 7. So if I am saying, if I am throwing a dice, the number is coming that is less than 7. So the statement is certainly true. उसको हम इस कैटेगरी में रखेंगे. Next is equally likely. If I am saying, have you seen, when the cricket team will play, or तो उससे पहले हम टॉस करते हैं with the help of this coin. The coin has two faces. The first one is the tail and the second one is the head. Can you see this? Head and tail. If I am tossing this coin, fair coin. सारे coins में यही होते हैं, two outcomes होते हैं हमारे. First is the tail and the head. So if someone is tossing the coin, तो probability है कि 50% chances that the head is coming and other 50% chances the tail will come. So it is equal, 50-50. Nobody can say कि cheating है, head या tail आया, head आया. No, it is equally likely. So the second one, जहाँ पे chances 50-50 होते हैं, that is we will keep in this category equally likely. If third one is impossible. To understand the third category, that is impossible, I am taking an example. If I am saying that the probability that sun is rising from the west direction, so is it possible that sun will come from the west direction? No. So it is impossible. So probability of that is 0. Means it is impossible. Sun always comes from the east direction. So we have three phases. Probability को हम divide कर सकते हैं. First is certainly true, which is 100% confirm that ये होगा ही. It is confirmed. Chances 100% है. I'm writing here that it is representing 100%. Equally likely means 50-50. 50% chances है, हो सकता है. 50% that it will not happen. And impossible means 0% chances. Now, I hope you are understanding what I want to say. Probability is the game of chance. If we want to predict something, हमको कुछ predict करना है, कि आज ऐसा होगा, मे बी टुडे इट विल बी सनी डे, मे बी इट विल बी टुडे रेनी डे, मे बी इट विल rain today. So if we are predicting something, that is probability. For example, a fair coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a head? Example number 1 in your book, page number 251. If a fair coin is tossed, so what is the probability of getting head on it? The formula of probability I would like to tell you. Probability is to find out the probability, there is a formula favorable. Favorable event upon total event. So, I have given you a question that find out the probability of getting head on a coin when a fair coin is tossed. I am writing a question, example number 1 in your book. Question is, a fair coin is tossed. Find the probability. What is the probability of getting head? So for this question, I will use this formula which is written over here. Solution. I have told you that when we toss a coin, there are two outcomes. Maybe head will come and maybe tail will come. So there are total event, number of total outcomes is 2. And the favorable event means how many head are there? How many head are there? Only one. So probability, first of all, we will write the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome is equal to 1 because there is only one head. And the total outcomes, there are two outcomes, head or tail. 2. So now we will find out the probability with the help of this formula. Probability we represent with it with the P, and we are finding of head now, so we will write PH. Probability of getting head on the coin is favorable outcome is 1 and the total outcome is 2. So probability is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, what is 1 by 2? Means half. If the question I am giving you that a fair coin is tossed, what is the probability of getting tail? अगर मैं head की जगह tail दे देती, then what will be the answer? आंसर विल बी सेम 1 by 2 क्योंकि हेड और टेल आने के चांसेस अब मैंने बताया था इट इज इक्वली लाइकली 50% चांसेस है दैट वी विल गेट हेड ऑन द कॉइन एंड 50% चांसेस होते हैं दैट वी विल हैव टेल ऑन द कॉइन. सो इट इज 1 by 2 और अगर हम एज वेल एज टेल की अगर मैं प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको बताऊं तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ getting tail on the coin is also 1 by 2 क्योंकि there is favorable event of the in the tail is 1 and total outcome are the 2. Now we will understand the probability with the example number 2 from your book. It is the example of a dice. Second question, a fair die is thrown once. Die, लूडो वाला जो डाइस होता है हमारा. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग द फॉलोइंग ऑन द डाई. अब आपको कुछ इवेंट्स दिए हुए हैं, कुछ सिचुएशन दी हुई है, इनके अकॉर्डिंग आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है. एवरीबडी नोज दैट देयर व्हेन वी आर throwing a dice, total number of outcomes is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number can appear on the dice. So total outcomes will be always 6. Whenever we will find out the probability of a die, when we are throwing a single die, total outcomes are the 6. Next, we will talk about example number 2 from your book. It is on the page number 251. It is related to a dice. For a dice, the information you have to know that total outcomes for a dice. When you are throwing a dice, how many numbers can appear on the faces? कितने numbers appear हो सकते हैं a dice में? That those are the total outcomes for a dice. So for a dice, total event आपके कितने हो जाएंगे? 6. Because if you are throwing a dice randomly, आप you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number for a dice it is fixed. ये हमेशा कितने हो जाएंगे आपके? For a dice it is 6. Like for a coin it is 2 and for a dice total outcomes is 6. Several conditions are given A, B, C, D, E. उसमें आपको इन conditions के according इनकी probability find out करनी है. Question is, a fair die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting the following on the die. First is of getting 1. You have to find out the probability of getting 1 on a die. So nothing special, only one formula I am using. Probability is equal to favorable outcomes upon the total outcomes. Favorable outcome means if I am saying 1, so how many faces are there on the die जिस पर 1 written होता है? It is only 1. 1 face is there जिस पे 1 appear होता है. So favorable event is 1 and the total outcomes are 6. तो probability of getting 1 कितनी हो गई आपकी? 1/6. Next, B में आपको probability find out करनी है to get an even number. Even number, first of all you have to know what are the even number. Even number 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. But on a die we don't have 0. Dice में जो भी even number होते हैं हम सिर्फ उसी के बारे में उन्हीं को consider करेंगे. So even number 2, 4 and 6. There are 3 even numbers. So favorable outcomes in the even number. Favorable outcomes आपके कितने हो गए? 3, which are 2, 4, 6. These number only possible है appear होना and total outcomes is similar to the first one. Total outcomes is 6. It is fixed. So probability of getting even number is favorable event 3, total event 6. 3/6. We can reduce it 1/2. C. Find out the probability of getting a prime number. Prime number, again you have to know what is prime number. Prime number, a number which is divisible by itself only. 1 is not considered as a prime number. So we separate it. 1 नहीं लेंगे हम. 2 is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. 4 is not the prime number because 4 is divisible by 2 also and 4 also. And the other prime number is 5. 5 is prime number and 6. 6 is not the prime number because 6 is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So we have only 3 prime number. हमें 1 to 6 में ही देखना है because dice पे number जो appear होते हैं that are only from the 1 to 6. So we have 3 prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. So again I have written here favorable event फेवरेबल इवेंट्स ऑफ इन द प्राइम नंबर, प्राइम नंबर्स के फेवर में कितने इवेंट हो गए? 3, which are 2, 3, 5. These 3 prime number can appear on the dice only, and the total outcomes is 6. So the probability of getting a prime number is 3 by 6. Again, it is reduced as 1 by 2. Next, D. In D, we have to find out the probability of number less than 7. Number less than 7. So when I started the chapter, certain condition वाले में certain 100% confirm जो होती है उसमें I have given an example of this कि whenever we are throwing a dice, if I am saying number will appear is less than 7, so it is 100% sure because a dice has number 1 to 6, less than 7. So favorable event कितने हो गए less than 7 वाली कंडीशन में? Favorable outcomes is 6, and the total outcomes again it is 6. ये 6 कौन सा है? लेस देन 7 में क्या? In the D, favorable outcomes is 6. ये 6 is less than 7 वाली कंडीशन में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So favorable outcomes कितने हो गए? 6, and the total outcomes is also 6. So probability of finding a number less than 7 on the die is favorable outcome 6, total outcome 6 by 6 is 1. Now E is you have to find out the probability of getting a number on the die which is greater than 6. Greater than 6. Up, think about it. When you are throwing a die, any number greater than 6 can appear on it. No, it is not possible. It is categorized in the not possible, impossible वाली condition. So इसके favor में जितने event होंगे that are 0. Favorable outcomes greater than 6 can appear on the die. No, so the favorable outcomes is 0. Total outcomes are the 6 again. So probability of greater than 6, it's 0 upon 6. The answer is 0. In this way, by using only one formula, probability is equal to favorable outcome upon total outcomes, we can find out the probability of any condition, चाहे फिर वो coin की बात हो या फिर dice की या any other condition. Now come to the main exercise of chapter number 17. Question number 1. Describe the chances of occurrence of the following event using the words impossible, not likely, equally likely, most likely or certain. I have told you the categories. उसमें आपको जो ये conditions दी है उसको आपको कैटेगराइज करना है कि ये मोस्ट लाइकली है, इक्वली लाइकली है, सर्टन है, इम्पॉसिबल है. लेट्स सी. A. A red marble picked up at random from a bag containing 8 red marbles and 2 black marbles. There is a bag जिसके अंदर 8 जो है red marbles है and 2 black marbles है. Question number 1A. We have to categorize in the following categories, that impossible, not likely, equally likely, most likely or certain. A is there is a bag, a red marble picked up at random from a bag containing 8 red marbles and 2 black marbles. There is a bag जिसमें red marbles are 8 and black marbles are there 2. So if you are picking a marble, the condition is given कि a red marble picked up. So favorable जो event है, red marbles is having 8 and black marbles are 2. So condition red marble के favor में ज़्यादा है या फिर black marble? Red marbles are more than in comparison of black marbles. So it is, अगर हम red वाले की ही बता रहे हैं, कंडीशन हमें red की फाइंड आउट करनी है, So it is categorized as most likely. If अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में बोला होता कि a black marble is picked up, then it is not likely. There is a two categories और ज्यादा डिवाइड की हुई है, मोस्ट लाइकली और नॉट लाइकली. जिसके फेवर में इवेंट ज्यादा है, टोटल इवेंट में जो ज्यादा परसेंटेज रखता है, लाइक रेड मार्बल्स वाला परसेंटेज ज्यादा है इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ ब्लैक मार्बल्स, और रेड की ही अगर हमें कैटेगरी बतानी है तो इट इज मोस्ट लाइकली. बट अगर हम रेड 8 है एंड ब्लैक मार्बल्स आर 2 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एंड कंडीशन इज गिवन दैट ब्लैक मार्बल इज पिक्ड अप, तो फिर वो हो जाता नॉट लाइकली. बी, the chance of getting tail in a toss of a coin once. I have already told you, whenever a coin is tossed, 50-50% chances are there. 50% chances the tail will appear, or 50% chances is head will appear. So it is categorized as equally likely. See, the chances of India cricket team to win a toss. Again, the team will play head or tail. There are two chances that will appear on a coin. So it is again equally likely. Coin का जब भी head और tail आएगा तो it is 50-50. C is also equally likely. D. You will grow over 100 feet tall. Is it possible a human being can 100 feet tall? No, it is impossible. So it is categorized as impossible condition. E. A year having 12 months. It is fixed, it is confirmed. A year is having 12 months. 12 ही month होते हैं single year में. So it is certain, क्योंकि ये confirmed condition है. So it is categorized as certain. And the last one, D. Last one, F. Sorry. F is all 10 traffic signal light en route to the school will be green. अब एक कंडीशन दिया है, when you are going to the school, every signal light, all 10 traffic signal light en route to school will be green. So it is not confirmed and equally random होता है वो, red, green and yellow. So it is not most likely, not equally likely, it is not certain, it is random. So it is not likely. So this is your question number 1, A to F. Question number 2, find the probabilities. In question number 1, you don't have to find the probability, आपको सिर्फ categorize करना था different. In question number 1, you have to categorize only. आपको सिर्फ categorize करना था. You don't have to find out the probability. In question number 2, find the probabilities of the following. आपको इसमें probability भी निकालनी है as well as. For example, see, I am taking a blue ball drawn from 15 blue balls. A bag is there, a box is there. There are 15 blue balls. All the balls are blue. If you are picking up one ball, then find out the probability that it is blue. So you are picking one ball. So favorable outcomes is 1 and the total outcomes is 15. So probability क्या हो जाएगी? 1/15, because all the balls are blue. Like this, you have to try this. You have to think about two things. The total outcomes, जो भी condition आपको दी हुई है, total outcomes के बारे में आपको think करना है, कितने हो सकते हैं, and जो condition जिसकी आपको probability find out करनी है, उसके favor में कितने outcomes are there, वो आपको सोचना है. Then you can find out the probability easily. Question number 2, A to F, you have to try it in the homework. That's it. Thank you.